Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a CNC selector in your SSR4 Mk2. It's a very simple and straightforward process, so we're going to have this done in no time. For this first step, we move the selector into the semi position. That would be the easiest. And using the included two-headed bit, we simply remove the screw on top of the selector. Now, before removing the selector itself, be mindful there is a small ball bearing, so be careful not to lose that. A good place to store it actually is the motor itself, because it's magnetized, so it just stays right there. Inside the selector there is a little spring which we need to fish out. There we go, we took it out. It should have a little bit of grease on it, which does hold it into the hole, but if not, just apply a little bit of grease before you install it in the new CNC selector. Just put that in. Then we put the little ball bearing inside the little groove in the semi position, and then carefully place the new selector on top of it. Press it down until you feel it go in, and then you can use finger tight. You can screw it in finger tight in the beginning, and then with the driver just make sure it's snug. You don't have to apply that much force. And there we have it. Ensure that the selector moves smoothly. If it's not moving smoothly for whatever reason, or you feel a bit of scratchiness, repeat this, clean up the grooves, and add a little bit of grease onto the ball bearing. But other than that, this is it. Have fun out there.